Hello guys and welcome back. So another quick video for today. We are going to install a sink with a pedestal. We have our sink here and our pedestal there. So first I'm going to assemble everything on the actual sink. That means the pop-up waste and the tap. And then I'm going to try to install it on the wall. We have here our pop-up waste and tap with all the fittings. Okay, so this is our pop-up waste. This is our tap. And this is also coming into the back. These are the flexible for the water supply. So first they will have a washer right here, so you don't need to do nothing, you just need to put it inside the tap there. So you just need to fix it. You don't need to put too much pressure. So here we are going to have our sink, and I'm going to start by putting the pop-up waste. Just need to take it out. Okay. Here we go. Pop up. Pop up. So exactly like it is now, I'm just going to put it from the other side of the sink. That is going to go like that. And then I'm just going to tighten it up. If you are going to tighten it up too much, it's possible that it's going to crack the sink, so you don't want to do that. Next, so right now I'm just going to install the tap. Before doing that, we have here 2 pieces that is going to go on the top of the sink, and that is just going to go like that. One plus the other one, and it's going to go like that with the rubber on top of the sink. And I'm just going to pass that through. Like this. The rubber needs to go inside here. That is just going to stay on top of the sink here, the rubber, and no water is going to go at the back. And that's it. Now we just have to tighten it up from the other side. These fixings are going to go like this, and these small bolts are going to go in between, inside there. Actually, let me just show you how it's going to be. So these are just going to go inside here. And the other one inside here. These you can pull them out. So untighten them. Take them out. 1 and 2. And these are going to go like that inside, but not before you pass the tap all the way through the hole of the sink. So I'm just going to repass them like this. Then I'm just going to insert the rubber washer with the metal plate at the back here, and then I just need to tighten it up. So now the top is tighter. Make sure it's going to be straight. And voila, they are all in. Okay, so I just had to run quick to buy some bolts for the sink because, you know, some of the people are just going to put some silicone at the back, put it against the wall, and that's it. But on this case, I want to put some bolts at the back because it's going to give more strength to the sink, and then it's going to be a little bit safer to pull out the pedestal of the sink if it ever going to need some maintenance. So I'm going to quickly drill some holes for these bolts here. I will need a 14 drill bit. I have everything ready here. Raw plugs. So we have to insert these bolts in. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of silicone around here. Okay, so applying a little bit of silicone. We just need to insert it right inside the bolts. Okay, now we just have to fit this inside that bolt. This one, and then we just have to tighten it up. Now we just need to tighten it up, and that is the most trickiest part. So now, before I'm going to tighten it up all the way to the wall, I will just need to check my pedestal first, if it's going to be enough space for it to go under the sink. Now, when we are going to put the bolts in, it's going to be a lot of play. So we can go with the sink a little bit higher or lower. So, at this point, my pedestal is not going in, but I can raise it up a little bit and then tighten it up all the way. So now everything is going fine. It's more than enough space for my pedestal to go in and out. Every time that I will need to take it out, it's not going to be that difficult because I will leave a little bit of gap in between the pedestal and the sink, and that is going to make my life and other plumbers' life much easier, because these pedestals usually you need to take them out sometimes, and you don't want to break them. Okay, so right now I'm just going to tighten everything up, and we are ready to connect waste and main water supply. Don't like these positions. Now it's nice and strong. We can even take out our pedestal and work on the waste and all other connections around here. Oh, okay, so let's connect the waste and the rest. We just need to connect the water supply at the ball of X. So left side hot water, right side cold water. These, they have rubber washer inside, so you don't need to tighten it up a lot. If not, you are just going to cut through the rubber washer. That's one. This is the other one. Enough, so I can open now the main water. Let's see if I'm going to have some leak. And that is hot water. And that is the cold water. And it seems that no leak at the moment. All okay. Underneath okay. Now we just need to put the waste all the way through. Okay, so this hole here, it doesn't look that nice, so I took my time and I cut a piece of the panel, and I'm just going to put it right exactly here, and it's going to look a little bit better. So I'm going to fill this gap here a little bit with silicone. Put some silicone here at the back also. And I will just try to carefully put it back here and make it look nice. Now after I will finish everything from outside, I'm going to put some expanding foam, and I'm going to block this pipe in. That is going to be my waste pipe. Exactly like that. And this is going to be my trap. And I just have to put it back here quickly. Okay. And inside the pipe. Okay, so I think that is too long, so I will need to cut a little bit from this extension here. Bear with me just one moment. Okay, so that is done. And that's okay. Then we have the plastic ring that is going to go inside there. And we have a rubber washer that also needs to go on our waste pipe. And that is done. Okay. our waste pipe. Now I'm making sure that everything is tightened properly and I'm not going to get any leak. Okay, so now I have to do the connection outside, so it's going to go straight into the down pipe. Okay, so pedestal is in. Now we just have to peel everything off, clean it a little bit. Now all these are headaches all the time to clean, small problems. But we are not going to leave it like that. And now, moment of truth, it is going to work. Let's see. So we have water. So everything is running fine. Everything is okay. Hot. That's good. Cold. That's perfect. And here we go. Pop-up waste. Working. And everything seems that is working fine. Now, the only thing that we still need to do is seal all around. Maybe at the bottom a little bit. So that is one of the stages that is going to be at the end of this bathroom. But at the moment, our sink is working fine. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, see you on the next one.